When you stop chasing the wrong things, you give the right things a chance to catch you. Lale Daskal. My friends, each and every day, 10 to 15 minutes, that gives you the chance to have the right things catch you by learning the nuances of the market. We've got just a few minutes left, and we see stocks are up along with gold and Bitcoin. Both of those are zooming. And again, it looks like we're going to be going long on Bitcoin, and gold continues to pay big dividends. Stocks are up, but it may be the last. We'll talk about that when we get to them. And of course, what are bonds doing? They're continuing to go down, and we've been long bonds, so we're staying long. Let's jump first into the S&P. I'm sorry, that's the opposite. We are long the inverse. We are long TBF. We are short bonds. Sorry, that's the way we've been. We'll see it when we get to it. Let's jump first to the S&P 500. Of course, we've watched as the two-day candle on Tuesday, Wednesday moved down, the Thursday, Friday, particularly Thursday, punched through the weekly trend line. And today, it's sort of leveling out after that big move yesterday, up 0.52%. Again, we are still green. We can watch as the new week starts. We have a little bit, just a tiny little bit. If we zoom in, you can see, oops, I zoomed in on the wrong chart. Let me zoom in on the weekly. You can see there's a little bit of a wick at the bottom. Okay, we're looking at this one. I have to move over so you can see it and not be confused by these dashes here. A little bit of a wick on the bottom. So it is technically a spinning top. So that's showing some inherent weakness. We don't have a crossover. See how the new week starts. But again, and what happens on Monday, not calling it a halt altogether, but if you did over the last couple of days pull your trade, that's fine. You can always jump back in. You don't have to just stay in for the hell of it. You can take your profits. A lot of times what I do is use average true range, and I lock in the profit on that average true range, sell half of my position and let the rest of it ride. What do we see going on with the Qs? You can clearly see the green spinning top here, up 0.46%, clearly pushed through hard on the weekly trend line. We'll see how the new week starts. Again, not much happening on Friday. Volume in the morning, none to speak of in the afternoon. Average volume, again, this could be the topper for us. We shall see as the new week starts. Bonds, again, this is interesting. We have a spinning top because of that pop-up on Wednesday and then things moving back over. And it is important that we did cross back through the weekly trend line today. We've stayed below it on the green spinning top here, right at average volume for the Thursday, Friday two-day candle. But we've ended the week with all this volume and with a spinning top. I'm going to be interested to see how this new week starts. Maybe it'll start off strong going down, will keep us in. Could be a portent of changes. So we shall keep our eye on our short position on TLT. Again, we are in the inverse fund, TBF, for our practice trade. Gold, bingo, friends. We've been long gold, and it is paying off well, is it not? Look at all the volume. Look at it booming up in the morning, even further up in the afternoon. Again, these are Heikin-Ashi candlesticks, 2.11%. It appears to be that way. What about Bitcoin? Wow. As Bitcoin started moving up on Monday, it has just accelerated, hasn't it? Look at the two-day candles, average volume. Look at where we are with volume, above average. Again, beautiful as things have moved around. It's not the clean changes that we like. Of course, what do we like? We like it starting off with a green spinning top after a good bottom where things are clean. This is not clean at all, but it doesn't surprise us with Bitcoin. 6.05%. Now, you know how Bitcoin can clear things out. It could start the week off down 10%. But we do see things, again, giving us hope of a nice, clean, continued up move as Bitcoin recovers. Never write Bitcoin off, it seems. Again, It'll languish, and then it'll take off and just zoom. We shall see as we start the next week if that zooming continues. God bless, my friends. All the best from the whole team at Charting Wealth.